What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I am out here with the C5 Corvette. Just made a video for you guys about a reminder for the Wheelcraft car show tomorrow, Sunday, August 20th, 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. I and the Corvette will be there showcasing our bright ice finish rims there, stock rims, looking mighty fine and fresh. So today's video, hopefully I'll be able to get this done before it gets dark, so I got to work very quickly here. We are going to be painting our rotors red. So I'm bringing the car out onto those blocks right there, so pretty low to the ground. So I got to get my low pro jack up underneath there, but I got to get some ground clearance first to be able to get that underneath the car to lift it up, take the wheels off, paint our caliper, throw our rim and tire back on, or our wheel back on, and move it forward and get the back as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing here in today's video. I won't do every single little detail of this video because, again, I'm working with a little light here. It's kind of my fault. I kind of waited till the last minute to do it anyway, but we're showcasing the wheels tomorrow. Can't have rusty looking rotors. That circle that I've showed you guys before, I'll show you again once we bring the car out, but we can't have that at a car show. So we got to do something about that and get it done pretty quick here because I'm running out of daylight. So I will see you guys in a couple seconds. All right, guys, we're all set up out here. Corvette is out up on the blocks. We got our jacking pucks up underneath the front door right here, where the front door connects to the front fenders. Got our low profile jack, Milwaukee fuel impact to get our lug nuts off with the soft shell so we don't damage up our red lug nuts that we put on here, our brand new ones. Get that wheel off. We got our paint ready to go. Got our shop towels and our cleaner ready to go as well. Got some Windex to clean up these rims, the little dust that's on them. Not a whole bunch of brake dust or anything, but just to clean them up for the show tomorrow. I'm going to do all of this off camera, guys, just because I'm losing daylight here. And then I'll bring you guys back, obviously, in the morning before we leave for Wheelcraft car show. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Just showing you guys one more thing. Got our wheel off here. This is the inside. So our full rim was coated at Wheelcraft. The whole entire thing, the barrel, inner sides, and the outer. Here's what our paint project looks like. Get you guys some light here. So this is what we have to paint here. Happens with these OEM rotors for C5 Corvettes. And we're gonna touch up, hopefully, this caliper as well, because it looks a little beat up right there and right there. So we'll wipe this down, give this a touch up, and then we'll call it a night. All right, showing you guys what I painted here. This is the rear driver's side. So we painted the rotor, that drum where the rust spot usually is for C5 Corvettes on rotors. We painted the caliper and the upper control arm. So that small section there. So these are going to look really nice when the wheels are back on. Obviously I'll show you guys again in the morning how they look, and I'm not worried about the little part that's over that I painted over the rotor here and then on the top side, because once the wheels are on, you can't see that portion right there on this front side of the rotor, and then this side here, the brake pad itself will clean up all this stuff and make a nice clean line. So that's what I like about doing this. You don't have to tape a bunch of stuff off. You can just go in with your brush, be as precise as you want or not precise as you want, especially around the rotor right there, because your brake pad will sharpen it up for you, that line. Once you press on the brakes or ride on the brakes for a little bit, it'll clean that line right up and make a nice straight even line for you, and everything will look nice, crisp, and clean. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the morning.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.